Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be planning for the week of, August 21st using this rose gold pattern that I created. So as usual, I will have this free template down in the description box and hopefully as a pinned comment as well. I made this in Canva. You can change the background, change the sizes, and make it your own if you want, but it is free down below. This is for an A5 size daily duo. This is a beautiful pattern. I love rose gold, and this one, I don't know, it has almost kind of hints of gray, and I think it in the end turned out beautifully. It is currently Sunday afternoon when I filmed this and am doing the voiceover, and I have a very busy week ahead of me. So on Monday, I have a morning meeting at 7:30, a team meeting at I think 10 or 11 o'clock, and I have my regular support group meeting at 3. So I realized after putting the stickers down that the boxes are a little long, so when you import it into Cricut Design Space or any other program, once you download the transparent PNG, just resize it to your liking. I definitely have this a little bit too long, so I guess I sized it wrong in Cricut Design Space, which is a bummer, but it worked out in the end. So for Tuesday, I had a 7:30 meeting and my support group meeting at 3. And Wednesday, there is a 7:30 meeting along with a team meeting at 10 and a support group meeting at 3. And Thursday looks about the same, meeting at 7:30 and support group meeting at 3. Now, what I love about the Daily Duo is the to-do list on the right-hand side. I use this to do a daily to-do list, and this Daily Duo really has been a godsend to me. I thought about maybe changing planners next year, but I think I'm going to stick with the Daily Duo because I have a ton of sticker kits for it. Now, I am going to be my planner is going to run out at the end of the year, and I'm not really sure what I am going to do for the first, 6 months of next year. I don't want to buy a year's planner when the new release is going to come out in May. So I'm not sure yet how I'm going to handle that. We shall see, but I am using this until the end of the year. And I'm using a combination of script stickers that I got from Romo Plans, which is one of my favorite digital sticker shops. She did some script stickers for me. Some of them I made myself. And I just think this turned out really well. I don't particularly care for my own handwriting, which I hear people say all the time. They don't like their own handwriting, but they like mine. But I really like the way that my planner looks when all of my meetings and schedule that happens every single week has a script sticker for each block. And then the only handwritten things are going to be on my to-do list, because I really don't have much that pops up in my schedule from week to week. I know one thing that I did forget just to mark down is I am going to go to my parents' house on Saturday to do laundry. So I love the way this rose gold turned out. You'll have to let me know down in the comments what you think of this pattern. I just think it looks wonderful, and I could not be more happy. So I am going to stop chattering on and let you watch the rest of this plan with me as I flip through. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.